What's up everyone, and welcome into a brand new video. So today is a bit of a different flavour, guys, as you can see. So because I did the previous Karcher K4 Classic review when I purchased the machine, I thought that I'd give you a little bit of my sort of personal opinion sort of review on the Dirt Blaster Lance. So because as detailing enthusiasts, we don't use, like, obviously the Dirt Blaster really for our, for detailing cars or anything, or vehicles, should I say. So I thought that I'd put it to a bit of a test, like doing my my detailing area sort of thing in my house, well, outside my house, sorry, because after obviously the horrible British winter that we had, it wasn't looking too great. Let's get into the video, guys, and let's see what you think. This is, before you jump in, just before you get into the actual video, this is like a kind of ASMR sort of video, so the video's sped up a little bit, and obviously there's none of me obviously doing my voiceover thing that I normally do in the previous videos, but it's not too long. It won't, it won't bore you to death, I don't think. So let's get into the video and I will let you know what I think at the end. So let's go. So as you can see, guys, not too much of a shabby job. If I'm actually honest, it was. I know that I actually put the TFR, the traffic film remover, on the floor just to give it a bit of suds, just to map out where I was sort of doing. But in my opinion, if you don't put anything down on the actual concrete, it's still something that we're cleaning. So obviously a little bit of something like, you know, a strong cleaning product or anything like that. If you've got a bit of, you know, quite a good amount of, like I had with my TFR, then yeah, just something to put down to give it a little bit of a helping hand. But as you can see, for the how much the pressure washer is, guys, in like price wise, and for what it did, in my opinion, I think it did well for a budget pressure washer. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, if you are thinking about buying the K4 Classic. And yeah, happy washing, and hopefully on the next video it'll be more car content, which I believe it is, because I have got 2 jobs coming up that I am actually lined up for. So I'm gonna try and transform my brother's BMW 1 Series back to its former glory, and I will be washing my dad's motorbike at some point coming up. So please, if you are new, guys, and you are into the car cleaning sort of scene or the detailing world, please hit that subscribe. And if this video's helped you out in any way with obviously purchasing the Karcher K4, then please hit that like button. I don't get anything from this, guys, up until I reach to 1,000 subscribers, and some of the little bits of criteria that I need to obviously get before YouTube approve me to be like obviously a partner or whatever. I do not get paid for any of this, guys. This is just my honest opinion of what I think of the actual Dirt Blaster Lance, and obviously the products that I show on the channel. So yeah, I hope you have a great rest of your day, guys, and thank you so much again for clicking on the video, and I will see you in the next one. See you later.